Hello my friends, it's Chris the BSC. Hope everybody's doing fantastic out there, and we have kind of a special treat here. It was 3 months ago that I did this hit or miss video for the Batcave black version. Of course, Batman Hush, you guys know that I have the red version. I have been contemplating getting the black one, and we have a great little video. This is a very short and sweet video today, guys, but this is from Collector Ed, who was kind enough to film his setup, and he just got his in. And here we go. So I wanted to kind of show you this because I don't think I've seen this on YouTube much. This, of course, is the only way to buy this. This is the deluxe. It's $1,375. It is up right now at Sideshow. I will put the link down below if you're interested in it. So you cannot get the regular version. You have to get the deluxe with all the different portraits, which I think is actually really quite cool. But here we go. It looks incredible. Obviously, you know, the blue version is truer to the comic, but a lot of you out there might be just like me and just don't love the blue in your collection. And so for me, I think that this looks very, very good. Does it lose a little something? You might say yes, it might. But at the same time, this is the Batman that I love. I love those grays and the dark colors. You know, in my world, Batman would not really be fighting crime in a bright blue suit. You know, it just doesn't make sense. So the darker versions of the character, to me at least, makes a lot more sense here. But again, that's just my opinion. You know, take it for what it is, right? But again, you get all of the different swap outs. Obviously, you get the different head sculpts, which is very cool, and also the different head sculpt stands. So at that $1,375 price point, you are getting a lot for your money. You're getting the big base, you're getting all the bats, you're getting all of the different display options. So it's cool. I wish that they had offered this kind of like the regular, but obviously this is going to be more of like a limited edition here, being that it is the black version. But I do think it looks absolutely fantastic here. I'm curious though what you guys think. Do you guys think the black one is better or as good or not as good as the blue? Because again, I think it looks really great here. I am still considering swapping them. I haven't quite decided yet if I'm going to do that, but I do tend to like the black better. But again, I love the source material, and so should I keep the blue? Probably should. So again, I just don't know. But again, I wanted to thank Ed so very much for doing this for us, because again, it's very, very cool to be able to see this statue set up again 3 months later, guys. So basically, I think Prime 1 basically just did a repaint, which is, you know, not uncommon in the statue collecting world. But it's really cool to be able to see this in the black version. I think it is just as good as the blue, if not better. But again, I am going to turn it over to you guys because I want to know what you guys think about this one. And again, if you are interested, the link is in the description. So again, thanks, Ed, for sending this to us. This is so awesome to see this. And I will see you soon in the Batcave. Bye, everybody. Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these 2 awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.